there, I'm Billy Foulkes with MarineMax Houston. Today I wanted to show you one of our newer arrivals. It's the Scout 195 Sportfish. Right here, I'm sitting at the helm. We have your Yamaha gauges that are connected to your Yamaha 150 horsepower. New Yamaha binnacle right here. Nice tilt steering wheel with a grab handle. Fusion radio, we also upgraded it with the JL audio speakers throughout the boat. Great sound quality in here. You can hear it while you're full speed underway. Everything's good to go. Right here we have the live well in the leaning post backrest that does remove and gives you 2 additional rod holders. Back here we have storage. We optioned it with the ski tow bar and the backrest right here. So while you're underway, you can have 3 or 4 people back here comfortably sitting, hanging out. Ski tow bar, you can pull skis, tubers, wakeboarders, wake skaters, anything that you can think of, you can pull on here if it's a water sport. Got storage under both of these seats right here. Want to check that out, Sarah? Back here we have a raw water wash down below. Also in the back, Sarah, hold on to your phone tight. We do have a boarding and exit ladder with a nice little platform back there. Moving forward, tons of space up here. Oh, I need to point out the bimini. Look how much shade you guys get with this bimini. You can go with the T-top on this model as well. We option this one with the bimini top because it's you can lower it, you can remove it, and it gives you a ton of shade. Up forward, we upgraded the cooler to the Yeti. Have a cooler seat, backrest right here. Forward, we also have a bow filler cushion. These 2 seats, backrest right here. Excuse me, I'm kind of stumbling right here, but that's because I love this boat. There's so many options on it. Up front, we optioned it with the pre-rig for the trolling motor. So if you guys want a trolling motor on here, we can slap one on. Slap a couple batteries in here with your battery charger and you're good to go. Up front you have the cup holder / rod holder. So I think there's 6 total rod holders on the gunnel of this boat. 4 storage rod holders on the side of the console right there. Plenty of places to put your rods while you're fishing with live bait. And if you're fishing with artificial bait, like I said, you can remove this top and cast all day. Probably 3 or 4 people comfortably all day long. You guys, Billy Foulkes with MarineMax Houston Scout 195 Sportfish. Come see us soon.